Did you know a slave once brought the mighty Roman Empire to its knees? In the arena, Spartacus was just another gladiator fighting for the crowd's entertainment, a Thracian warrior forced to kill or die for Roman pleasure. But in 73 BC, everything changed when he escaped from gladiator school with just 70 followers. What started as a desperate break for freedom became Rome's worst nightmare. Spartacus didn't just run and hide. He turned escaped slaves into an army. 70,000 strong, they crushed Roman legion after Roman legion. His guerrilla tactics were brilliant, striking fast and disappearing into the mountains. For 2 years, he terrorized the empire, coming dangerously close to marching on Rome itself. The Romans were panicking. How could slaves defeat their professional soldiers? In his final battle, Spartacus chose to fight rather than flee. He died as a warrior, but his rebellion shattered Rome's confidence forever. One gladiator proved that even the mightiest empire could bleed.